Hello, I'm John. I'm the president of SEC, and today we're going to talk about another one of our great machines that we have here. This is really exciting here. This is one that has a lot of functions and features. This is a single bay, 25-foot long welding cell, and this one's capable of going from 2-inch all the way to 36-inch pipe, so quite a large range for this machine. We are again using our ESAB multi-process TIG MIG welding power supply. It has weld cloud on it, which is a great feature we'll talk about later. We have a hot wire power supply, so we can introduce supercharged or hot wire for greater deposition in the TIG welding process. The machine comes with 5 support stands. We use Beckhoff for all of our brains behind the PLC. This machine uses Yaskawa, the brand for all of our servo drives and servo motion. Your typical column boom, you have your mechanized up and down, your mechanized boom in and out. We have a manual travel cart on this one. We also have automated powered travel carts that are available. Some of the really cool and unique features of this machine is something you probably haven't seen much of, is that not only do we have our ABC, which is our up and down micro motion here, and our oscillation for our sideways micro motion, but we also have a great tilt feature here. We can tilt this machine, and we can weld in the 45-degree axis. It has a little detent that catches there, which is great. Now you can weld in that axis so you don't lose your ABC when you're welding fillet welds, slip-on flanges, weld neck flanges. So that's an added feature that we include on all of our machines. Put this back down to the 1G welding position. Again, we have our Pangeris gripper. That's a 2 to 36 inch. That's a 6,000-pound positioner that we have here. So it's our heavy-duty version. Something really cool, and we're really excited about is our patent-pending quick change option here. Right now, we're in the TIG welding with our Xyrus camera, our Xyrus welding camera system. And we can just do this really rapid change. And that is going straight from GTAW, or gas tungsten arc welding, straight into a SCAW, or a flux core arc welding process. What makes it really cool is that we're using one power supply to do both those functions. From DC to AC welding, we have a patent pending system that allows us to switch those. You can be welding TIG on a root pass, and without even stopping, you immediately change into a flux core for your fills or your cap passes. It's a great option for high deposition, very versatile machine. So we're super excited about that. Of course, we always have the operating console or remote pendant that comes with the machine, but that's our 2 to 36 inch pipe spool welding system.